tip of the day: when everything you've built comes crashing down, waiting won't fix it. Action will. The first move for financial recovery: grab your credit report and treat it like a blueprint for rebuilding. Every number, every account, every mark tells you exactly where to strike, what to fix, and how to climb back stronger. Don't let fear or shame hold you back. Take control, make the calls, dispute the errors, and map your comeback. Your future isn't waiting for you. It's being built one decisive step at a time.